Hey there, ass kickers. How are you? Just a quick bonus episode. I wanted to swing by and let you know what is going on over here at Your Kick-Ass Life for the rest of the year and for all of 2018. I'm going to try to sum it up in just a few minutes. I know a lot of you that listen to the podcast are fairly new to the YKAL community and don't really know what is going on in terms of classes that are coming up, free workshops, things like that. So I wanted to give it to you all in one episode and put a bunch of links in there in case you are interested in one or more things that you hear here, then you can go and sign up to be notified about that thing so you don't miss it and have FOMO and feel really sad. So the first thing is my free live workshop on my 3 most effective ways to manage your inner critic. That is coming up on Thursday, September 21st. Go to yourkickasslife.com/register, or a really easy way to sign up for that is to text the word Gremlin to 444-999. And there is an inner critic class that I am going to teach starting in October, and that is the last time I will run this class live. If you sign up for the workshop that I just mentioned, there is a special bonus and a price break for those people. I'll be honest, even if you don't go to the workshop live, you will get the emails that have those special bonuses and price breaks. If you want to really hunker down and learn how to manage your inner critic with my help and guidance and a shit ton of bonuses, then that class is for you. Again, all of the links to this stuff is over in the show notes. Guess what? My new book comes out on January 2nd. Yay! It's called How to Stop Feeling Like Shit. 14 habits that are holding you back from happiness. I'm so glad that my agent said yes to that title because I didn't want it to be called anything else. He's like, how married are you to that title? And I'm like, pretty committed. Pretty committed. So he found an amazing publisher that said yes to that title. That book comes out again, January 2nd, and I'm going to have a study group for that book because I know that a lot of you like to read self-help books, myself included, and sometimes we just read them when we're like, that's nice, but we don't really apply it to our life. This book coming out is one of those books that, I'm biased, but it can change your life if you apply all of the advice and tools that I write about in that book. Registration for that class opens late January, and we're going to start sometime in February. There's a link for that in the show notes to be the first to know about that class. I am also going to be doing a book tour in hitting cities for book signings and meetups and small exclusive workshops. And when I say small, I'm talking like 6 people. When I sent out a survey a few months ago to y'all, many of you said that instead of doing multi-day retreats that I normally do, you'd love to be able to come for like a half-day workshop. So guess what? I listened, and that's what I am doing. That one, I'm just going to tell you where the link is because I know that a lot of you are going to want to find out what cities I'm going to. It's at yourkickasslife.com/HTSFLS. That's How to Stop Feeling Like Shit acronym. And again, all those links are in the show notes. I'm really excited about this tour. And for probably half of the leg of that tour, I'm actually going to bring one of my children along. I'm going to switch off. And the West Coast tour, I'm probably going to go by myself. But East Coast and Midwest, I'm going to bring either my son or daughter. I cannot bring both of them at the same time. That is just a recipe for disaster. They get along really well, but it's not going to be fun for me. So if I can bring one at a time, so fun. They're such great ages. They're 8 and 10. So it's going to be really fun. So you'd get to meet one of my kids too. And everything that I'm going to tell you about now is at yourkickasslife.com/programs. Again, if you hear about a class you're interested in, you can head over there and choose the one you want to be notified about when it opens for registration. Because Raise Hell is coming in April. I'm so excited for this class. You guys, I have been planning this for what seems like forever. And the way that it works, oh my God, I'm so excited for this class. I wanted to teach it yesterday. And because I have the book coming out, it just didn't make any sense for me to throw it out into the interwebs with y'all. But oh my God, keeps me up at night. I'm so excited for this class. It totally came to me in a download, the name and everything. Okay, where do I even start? I don't really have any notes. I just wrote down, tell them Raise Hell is coming in April. It's going to be a 5 or 6 month long class. So it is kind of, you're in it for the long game. And we are focusing on like the basics of life coaching. Like this is where your kick-ass life was born. In the beginning, I was fresh out of coaching school and I was like, y'all, we need to all figure out how you can live your own kick-ass life. And the way that it's morphed, I've always called myself a hellraiser, and that looks different for every different person listening. What I call raising hell in my life might look different for what you call raising hell. So this isn't like, let's all live our life like Andrea lives. No. This is about you deciding what you need to do in order for you to really, truly live your own kick-ass life, for you really, truly to raise hell in your life. Because when you are living your life how you want to be, it is an act of raising hell. It is an act of revolutionary courage, especially for women. So that's what we're going to do. We're focusing on things like, what are you tolerating? Where do you need to set boundaries? And how the hell do you do that? I'm going to teach you. We are going to be encompassing creativity in there. There's going to be carrying over from the elements of my book of how to stop feeling like shit. And we're going to be focusing on things like abundance. And we're going to be talking about things like money and goals and just all of these things that are important, your physical health, like everything. It's going to be an all around, how do you live your personal, unique, kick-ass life? There's going to be accountability. I can't fucking wait. I don't throw F-bombs unless I really mean it, but I cannot wait for this class. Raise Hell is coming in April. Let me calm down for a second. All right. And then after that, next fall is the mentorship, which I am equally excited about. That is going to be for a very small group of women where we are doing definitely the same things that we're doing in Raise Hell, but we are diving deeper. This is more of a deep dive into things like core beliefs and your negative self-talk and just deeper work for those of you that feel like you need it. That's also going to include one-on-one coaching with me. So that is over there on the programs page. I hope that you found something that you think that you might want to be a part of. And also, when you sign up for early notification of these classes, most of the time I'm sending out special deals or bonuses or extended payment plans. So you probably want to be a part of that if you want to make sure that you are not going to miss it. All right, so that's it. I hope I will see you at the free workshop on Thursday. And of course, as always, out in the interwebs, especially on Instagram. That's probably the best way to find me. On Wednesday, the podcast episode is all about purpose. I'm excited for you to hear that. And until next time, Ass Kickers, I will see you out in cyberspace. Bye-bye.